Humans. The most successful species to roam the planet. We all have a common belief that we're at the top of the line for all aspects of life. But are we?
What if I told you there's an organism commonly underlooked to challenge even our success?
The Lasius niger, or commonly known as the black garden ant, is an invasive ant species to New Zealand.
According to scientists, at any given time, there are a quadrillion ants alive, which makes our 7 billion look like an ant in comparison.
Not only that, but they have also conquered 6 of the Earth's 7 continents, with the 7th being Antarctica, which is primarily inhospitable to most creatures. Ants have conquered millions of square meters of land. How is this possible for such a small creature? To start, let's look at the coastline.
New Zealand. An isolated island in the Pacific. Yet these small creatures have been able to colonize here. But how? To find out, we need to take a closer look.
A summer's day off the coast of New Zealand, a cargo ship arrives. Unknowingly, it carries an intruder, a queen ant. Like a disease, her offspring spread across New Zealand, from the coastline to the rocky rubble to the dense bush. Any environment was their home. And on occasion, they would even take on the native species for their territory. With one swift movement, the ecosystem was turned on its head. Although it may have seemed like everything was lost, ants actually helped the ecosystem. By foraging and bringing nutrients back to their nest, they increased the nutrient rate in the soil, furthermore increasing plant growth and the species that fed off the plants. But that wasn't the only positive. A variety of predators saw the fruitful supply of garden ants and used it to their advantage.
To conclude, although these ants are invasive and don't belong, they have now adapted and positively contributed to the native populace. Whether you like it or not, these eco-engineers are here to stay.